Hi, don't mind me how I look, and it's so cold, and I just want to talk about this one thing real quick. You know how people say, oh, I'm in pain. Oh, my boyfriend left me for another beautiful girl. I'm in pain. Oh, you know how my girlfriend left me. Alipata, oh, a rich sugar daddy and stuff. She left me. I'm in pain. Oh, I saw my crush passing down the street, and I could not do anything. I'm so embarrassed and in pain. That's not pain, number one. That's just, I don't know what to call it, but that's not the main pain. Okay, it's pain, but that's not pain. Let me tell you mine. Since 2019 I was in form 3, and I used to have this business idea since 2019. Now it's what, 19, 20, 21, tuko 21 ama? Yeah, tuko 21. And next year, by the end of this year, it will be 3 years. Okay, I don't know, but whatever, it's been many years. Listen, I don't have the capital, I don't have the support and the facility to start this business idea. And I know for a fact, and I've researched it everywhere in the whole world. And when I say the whole world, I mean Africa, the 7 continents and stuff. I know that no one has this business idea. And I know if I were to start it in Kenya now, Nairobi, where I am, the youth would love it. I'm sure about it. And the tourism in Kenya will increase by at least 20%. I'm not even lying. I'm even talking about it and my heart is beating. And I have that thing here where like when you feel like crying. Every country has to have this thing where this place where a person thinks of a business idea and they don't have the facility, so you just take your key, you go to that place, you open it, you collect all the things that you need for your business, the facilities and stuff, and then you go, you take some loan, or if you have the capital, unajitafutia, and you go and start your business idea, and then boom, you have a business. But no, it can't happen. Haiko hivyo. Nothing comes easy like that, I guess. Bro, I dream about this business idea at least twice a week. And the night when I dream about it, the next morning when I wake up, my mood is so, because in my dream I'm swimming in money, and I wake up swimming in pain. You can imagine. By now, if I started that business idea in 2019, by now I would have been traveling the world, half of the world, I guess. But it's fine. Tumefika tu Mombasa, tukarudi. Inshallah that it will work, tumalize college. But tutaomba inshallah. Bye.